All right, back in the saddle here. Noah's just up ahead of us, hopefully hanging out at milepost 35. Hopefully there's a marker there. Again, you can see how very little traffic, obviously now with the washouts, that this section sees. The ballast isn't bad, but lots of growth on the grade. With that, particularly with that washout there, the other one's worse. But that washout there, if you're not on foot or if you're not on bike, there's no way you're getting around that. Yeah, milepost 35 is there. I can see it. All right, so we're coming up here to milepost 35. So again, that is the mileage on the Kinghorn. So for the original line, we have to add the 100.8 miles, and that becomes 135.8. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna let Noah go ahead, and he's gonna zoom ahead to 36, and we will make our way there very shortly. All right, let's get the locomotive in gear here. Pardon the railway jokes. Well, when you're towing the caboose here, all right, so again, no clue what is coming up. There's nothing on my profile map. Here's another cut. A little bit of rock in there. There's nothing on my profile map. No culverts, no nothing between here and 36. So here you can see is a little bit of an open area. Not sure if there was, I don't know if there's a road. You can see a piece of telegraph pole here. I'm sure there's telegraph poles in the brush there, but you know, like, how am I supposed to see them? So here you can see kind of this pretty little swampy area. Nice little breeze here now that it's open. All right, so what I'm going to do, see the beaver made a path there, is I'm going to zoom you ahead and we'll stop if there's anything important that we see. All right, I knew we would catch something on the way back that we missed. So what we have here is a very rare find. I talk about this all the time. We have a telegraph pole that's still standing. So you can see the base down here. Looks like there's some marks on it. Looks like there was an attempt maybe made to cut it. I had to take a branch off so you could see it better. It might be kind of difficult just from the angle that we're at, but I can see mostly Dominion 42 insulators on there, just basically clear ones. Oh, there is one green one up there. So I do see a Brookfield or Hemingway, and the second one from the end might be a light green Dominion. I don't know. So again, this is kind of a really neat thing to see. Again, very, very rare to see these telegraph poles still upright. So I'm glad that I kind of caught this. Here's another piece of telegraph pole. Need something to take a look at on this section here. There's not much going on. So what I try to do is I don't want to really move my head in case I have to speed up the video. I just try to turn my eyes a bit, which is not easy. It's a lot easier when you turn your whole head. Just trying to spot things. Lots of debris, lots of especially spikes. Oh, that's not a good section here. Oh my God. Ugh. Bad ballast. Surprising, it's actually been pretty good so far. Just trying to see if I see any telegraph poles or something to take a look at. Oh my God. Here's a little cut. Something to take a look at. There's a piece of a telegraph pole. There's another piece of it, shards of insulator. You'd think in an area like this, you would potentially see more telegraph poles. Man, the ballast is bad. Oh. All right, there's Noah. Man, I'm gassed. I am gassed. And he's standing beside milepost 36. So we're gonna pull up beside him Or actually, he's not quite at the milepost marker. Oh. All right, so I'm gonna pull up at 36. Noah's gonna go up ahead. There's a trestle just right up there. I can see the barricades. So Noah's gonna stop there. So this is milepost 36. Oh, one bullet hole. I thought there wouldn't be, but of course we need the bullet hole in it. So again, that is the mileage on the Kinghorn. So for the original line, we have to add the 100.8. So that becomes 136.8. All right, we're gonna hold up here. And then what we're gonna do is, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna let Luna go. And she's gonna go find Noah. And so we're gonna hold up here, and then we're almost at our destination.